Alrighty, good day. I know a lot of people, especially people that had already used the MegaPack prior, uh, they don't necessarily like if you install all of these liveries, you have 9 folders in your community folder. A lot of people like the way it worked before, where you combined them. So I just wanted to show you there is a pretty easy way to combine these folders. So first we'll just download the entire Cessna package here. And I probably should have done that before, but hopefully it won't be too big. And so anyway, it's not hard. There is one program, Plain Converter, which is this one. It's actually, when you download it, it will end up with these files, and you just start this one, and it gives you a little program. Did I miss it here? Alright, how to get that back up? Here we go. And it's actually distributed. I'll leave some links in the description, but it's actually distributed as a code that you have to compile into an executable. Like I said, I'll leave all the necessary links. And now we're downloading this file. 116 megs. Okay. Alright, now that's a bunch of different folders. Not many, but some of these are. But let's just, and you can extract them however you're using Windows. Go to the default. And then while I go here, this is what you'll end up with. And we have a Cessna liveries. And then all these, now these are the actual folders that you would have to move. If you put the Cessna liveries folder in there, it won't do anything. You have to have each of these individual folders, and you have to put them in there. But I'm going to show you how to do that where we can put it. And we might as well, let's cut and paste these out on the desktop. All our different liveries. Livery folders. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one, now empty folder. Put it right here. And we'll use that as our folder that we moved to community. So this is now empty, and we can get rid of it. Alright, well these are the all of the folders. We got 9 different folders that, and the reason you know they gotta, for any add-on to work, it must have these 2 files, the top level directory. Meaning, here's my community folder. Okay, every one of these add-ons has to have those 2 files. If they don't have those 2 files right there in the top of that add-on, won't work. And that goes for any add-on that you're using through the community folder. Alright, so first thing we'll do is, the first one, we'll just cut and paste this entire one into our new folder. And now we have this one, the dark red, which we can now delete that empty folder. It's no longer empty. So now we only have one thing in here, but we're going to make it for all of them. So let's rename. You don't have to do this in the like the manifest, but I like to. And I'm just going to make it these names can be anything you want. This is specific. They should be unique. The title should be. This is the title of your actual add-on. So, cap locks. We'll put, let's put MegaPack there for creator. Like I said, that part is completely optional. So anyway, we've copied one in here. Right now, it would still work, but it would only show the dark red. Now notice, okay, here's my thing again. And so notice I just go to sim objects, airplanes. Here's dark red. Okay, and this is my master. So now I'm going to literally just copy and paste those exact parts, only these, into this same airplanes folder. That one's done. We'll do this one. Copy or cut, doesn't matter. I just want to combine them all. This is combining the actual folders. Now you can do this with 2 or 200, doesn't matter. So long as they are all the drag and drop. Oh, go to that one. Actually, I'm going to stop there just because, I mean, you get the principle. I'm just going into the airports folder and copying just the what you'll have in here is your aircraft and the textures in each one of these. Basically, you get the picture. I'm just going to follow this. Alright. So now here I have 2, 4, 6 of the 9 in here. Heck, we might as well finish, right? Get all 9 of them. Okay, so here's my master, and it has all 9 folders, livery folders. But we still have one very critical thing, and that's this layout bin only shows the dark red. Because that's and you can manually edit this, but it's a pain in the ass. You're going to make mistakes, and it'll bork it. That's where this this program right here comes. It's perfectly beautiful. You just literally point it, in this case, at our main directory. And that would be the same directory that has these layout and manifest bin in it. And that's it. Hit update. Done. Now our layout.json, look how long it is. It has all the different blue, yellow, dark green. It has all the different textures and everything listed in it now. And of course, the biggest, no, I need to, just get rid of all of these. Actually, it's only the 152. I think that may be a non-drag and drop, just to make sure. So we'll cut and paste that in there. And okay, let's just get rid of everything. Make sure nothing else is there to show up. So the only, and this is my computer, the only add-on I have is this one directory. Edited that, and I've added all of the add-ons. The correct name. Yeah, okay. Make sure everything looks good. Let's give that a shot. We should have 9 non-default aircraft liveries here. But that's it. The biggest thing is that plane converter. Like I said, it only comes in code, and you have to download the Visual Studio and things to get it compiled. I'm not sure. I may list a pre-compiled one, but I'm not sure what the developer would think of that. Even if I did, there would still be some .NET or some requirements, and I have no idea. I don't want to get into where I'm supporting somebody else's software. Basically, that layout.bin has to list every single directory and file, every file, not directory, but every file that's to be copied into memory and used by the game. And so by combining them all, we have to rewrite that whole file and add. You could literally copy and paste out of the layout for each one of the things and manually do it, but it's a lot of tricky copying and pasting. And if you get a comma in the wrong place or whatever, it can bork the whole thing and nothing works. That's a very useful little tool, especially if you're adding or replacing files, things like that. So basically, you just combine all the airplanes directory and then rebuild that layout. It's only 2 steps, sort of, kind of, but it's making sure all the right components are in the right spot. Let's hope it worked. I see no liveries. Did I put it in there? Clearly I did. Oh wait, I did my little test run with the pits, my bad. Sorry about that. Being silly here. There we go. And you can see we have all the different liveries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the default. So yeah, that's all you got to do. Biggest issue you want to do is make sure that you update that layout and get your all the contents of the airplane folders. Let's see, these are the 4 I normally. But yeah, the big thing is you want to make sure that when you copy all of these into the same one, and then update that layout bin to reflect it. So really, it's rather simple, but it's kind of in depth. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. That way you can put all your Cessna liveries, and this should, in other words, if I had another drag and drop livery, I could drop it. I don't think I do. I'm thinking the one I'm using is not drag and drop. Let me look. Maybe it is. Oh, I need to look at the aircraft. If it is, I should be able to. No, it's not. See, I'm copying in the entire file, so this would probably either override it or they would override it. Okay. I need to redo that package so it's drag and drop. But anyway, if you had say you had all these installed already and you saw another one you wanted to try out, you could literally drag it and put it right there. That's all you would need to do. I don't need to actually. But yeah, even if this was another drag and drop 152 livery, it would work beside this one, as opposed to, it doesn't have to be inside. You don't have to combine it later on because you're using another one. You just have to be sure you're using all drag and drop ones. And the difference, you can tell the difference, or I tell the difference, drag and drop ones, because all of those have a specific line in the aircraft config. Space container, and they also don't have a lot of the, and you'll notice it only has the new aircraft. It doesn't have the original or any of the general data and other stuff that's in the aircraft. This line right here tells the add-on that it's a variation and that we're appending to this aircraft. But anyway, that's probably a little longer than I expected this short video on combining them to go, but hope that helps somebody. Y'all have a great day.